Through the years, naging saksi tayo sa makukulay na kaganapan sa buhay ni Lovie Poe. Hindi lang sa showbiz kundi maging sa personal na mga pagsubok na kanyang pinagdaanan. Trials that turned her into one of the most effective and genuine young actresses of her generation, na pinatutunayan ng kanyang 2 Best Actress Awards at the young age of 22.
Pag mahal ka niya. So, that's why siya yung mga isang friends that you'll never let go.
On cam, iyak siya ng iyak. Off cam, tawa siya ng tawa. The simple things make her happy.
She takes her craft very seriously, no? Yung pag-arte niya, gusto niya sa mga project niya, nagagawa niya ng maganda.
Parang minsan when we have movies, she'll keep her role for like, kahit tapos na yung movie, she'll keep her role for a month kasi super into her role. So parang...
And as she steps into another level of her career and her life, naniniwala ang malalapit kay Lovie na simula pa lang ito ng mas magandang mga bagay sa buhay niya.
Lovie, happy birthday and good health, more blessing and happiness. And as your ninang, I just want you to always remember yung palagi kong sinasabi sa'yo, in everything that you do, always put God first. And I know, mas malayo pa ang mararating mo at mas mamahalin ka pa ng pamilya mo, ng mga fans mo, and more power sa'yo.
Hey Lovie, happy birthday. I can't believe it's already been 1 year since your last birthday. You've changed so much in the last year that I've known you. You've become more French. From katawan to personality. You've changed a lot and I'm very proud of you. So sana you get everything you wish and everything you deserve. And we'll have your surprise party soon. Happy birthday, I love you.
May God continue to bless you with huge billboards, mapuno mo pa ang EDSA, and with award-winning movies back, and an outstanding soap opera with your friends like me in it. God bless you, and may God give you the love that you deserve.
Maganda siguro, Lovie, you look back at the things that perhaps you've done in the past years and really be thankful for the countless blessings you've been given by God, and total okay ka na naman eh. So, God bless you and happy birthday. Love you, Lovie.
I'm sure your dad is very, very proud of you. Just as much as proud kami sa'yo, kaming mga kaibigan mo. I love you so much, love. Mwah! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Lovie. I wish you all the best. I want you to know I'll always be here for you. And I love you so much. Mom and I love you so much.
This afternoon, Lovie celebrates her birthday with us. At kasabay nito ay ang pag-amin niya tungkol sa ilang mga eksenang malalapit sa kanyang puso. Live na live! Please welcome on the show, birthday girl, Lovie Poe. Hi, Lovie!
Hello! Thank you so much for having me here again. Salamat ulit, Showbiz Central. Napakaganda nun. I always have the best time here. Salamat talaga.
Napakaganda nung sinabi ng mga kaibigan mo
Oo
sa
nga
industriya, and of course your family as well. Maganda yung sinabi ni Heart na this year has been such a blessing for you because not only have you had 3 Best Actresses Award at 22, mga kapuso, and now your show Legacy is #1 on primetime. Congrats, Lovie.
Thank you. Sobrang nagpapasalamat naman ako sa sumusuporta sa amin. Thank you talaga. Kayo naman ang inspirasyon ko eh. Yan. Kaya maraming salamat.
Okay, we're gonna be talking about your award-winning performances. We're gonna show a scene from, this first one is from Sagrada Familia, and based on that scene, meron ako mga katanungan sa'yo. So let's watch the first clip. Here it is. Grabe yung pagkasabi mo doon ng I hate you. Damang-dama talaga, di ba? In real life ba, Lovie? And that scene gave you an award, di ba? So, sa totoong buhay naman, have you hated someone that much? Na ganun talaga yung galit, yung emosyon? Meron na ba or wala pa?
Parang, wala pa. Siguro dislike, malapit na ng konti, pero wala pang hate. Kasi yung hate, super heavy, mabigat na word na yan eh.
At saka when I see you, parang laging magaan yung aura mo, di ba? So, wala pang ganon. Walang ganon ka-intense.
Wala pa naman.
Okay, let's check out this next clip. Ito naman sa iyong #1 soap ngayon na Legacy. Let's watch this.
Gwapo nga naman yung tatay ko, di ba? Imposible na lang kung walang magkakagusto sa kanyang mga babae. And knowing my mom, I can't blame him kung magbabae siya. Kaya hindi ko lang matanggap kung bakit kanya kailangan magkaroon ng anak sa kung sino mang kabit na yun. Ayoko ng kapatid. Ayoko. Lalo na sa dayanang yun. Ayoko talaga. Hindi ko matanggap.
Wow! Alright, sa eksenang yan, meron ka parang hindi matanggap.
Oo.
Sa totoong buhay, Lovey, how do you deal ba with issues na mga ganyan? Ikaw ba umiiyak? Ikaw ba yung umiinom tulad ng karakter mo? How do you deal with mga ganyang mga issues na hindi matanggap?
Siyempre may mga moments nga na umiiyak ako at umiinom.
Okay,
Yes.
that's normal.
That's normal. Hindi. Of course, sa mga ganyang bagay, siguro lahat naman tayo may mga pinagdadaanan. And we try to accept it na lang kung ano man yung mga dumadating sa buhay natin. We just have to adjust and adapt to changes and try to make things work out if ever may go ng paraan.
What upsets you?
What upsets me? Siguro, yung mga maliliit na bagay. Kasi parang sobrang liit na nga, parang hindi pa makuha. Siguro, ganon. At saka, pagka hindi na-appreciate yung mga, yung ginagawa ko para sa ibang tao. Ganon. Yan lang. No?
Okay. Lovey, it's your birthday. It's the love month and you are Lovey. So let's talk about your love life.
Okay.
Na very controversial and of course hindi maiwasan ng mga tao na magbulong-bulungan kanina sa backstage kung saan-saan. Let me ask you this question straight up and I want you to be as honest as possible. Lovey, are you single right now?
Yes, I'm single.
Okay, there you go. Hindi pang Facebook, hindi it's
Hindi yan.
complicated.
Oo, no.
Single si Lovey and that's good that you clarified that. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm very happy now. Kasi, grabe yung focus ko sa trabaho ko ngayon. Walang distractions. Ayaw ko nang muna mag-isip na ibang bagay. I just want to focus on the things that matter to me now, which is my work, my family, and my friends.
How do you deal dun sa mga lalaking nanliligaw? Siyempre, hindi maiwasan yon, di ba? Na you are an attractive lady and marami ang nakapila. How do you deal with yung mga suitors mo ngayon?
Hohol lang. Hohol. Hangout lang.
Hangout lang muna.
Yun muna.
Okay.
Hindi naman masama magkaroon ng mga kaibigan. Inaantay ko rin naman yung moment na yun. Medyo wala pa naman sa isip ko.
Okay, what's your birthday wish, Lovey?
Birthday wish? Siguro sana tuloy-tuloy. Ngayon sa trabaho ko, sa career ko, sana tuloy-tuloy siya kasi sobrang saya ko nga. Dito ko na-realize na ito pala nagpapasaya sa akin.
And of course, to share this event today, itong birthday mo, meron kang mamaya, di ba? Sa 5 p.m.?
Yes, 5 p.m.
Invite everybody.
Yes, inaanyayahan ko po kayong lahat. Mag-celebrate ako ng birthday ko sa SM Manila. Hello sa mga fans ko sa We Love Lovey, Lovinatics, Lovey BCG, lahat. Maraming salamat. At gusto ko magpasalamat sa aking manager na si Leo Dominguez. Thank you so much. Ikaw talagang nandyan para sa akin. I'm so thankful to have you. At sa GMA Network, Showbiz Central din, thank you so much, Mother Lily and Rosel Monteverde. All my sponsors and endorsements, all my fans, thank you.
Yun na yun. Thank you so much, Lovey. Here are some flowers for you, of course,
Thank
from
you.
Showbiz Central.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. I love-
Continue to stay happy.
Yes.
There you go. Lovey po, mga kaibigan.